Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Brawl stars Nulls on Android. Nulls Brawl is a private server experience, offering unlimited in-game resources like gems, coins, and all brawlers from the start. It provides a distinct way to enjoy the game's mechanics without traditional grinding. This version is entirely separate from the official Brawl Stars application, allowing you to experiment freely with every character. Before you begin, make sure your Android device is properly prepared. You will need a minimum of 1.5 gigabytes of free storage for the download and installation. Next, head into your phone's security settings and enable the option to install applications from unknown sources. This step is essential, as Nulls Brawl is not available through the standard App Store. To get Nulls Brawl, you need to download the APK file from a trusted third-party website. Always ensure the source is reliable to avoid any issues. Once the download is complete, which typically takes a few minutes, open your device's file manager and locate the APK in your Downloads folder. Tap on the file to begin the installation, then follow the on-screen prompts. Once installation finishes, you will find the Nulls Brawl icon among your other applications. Simply tap on it to launch the game. The first launch might involve a quick update, which usually takes less than 1 minute to complete. After this, you will be greeted with a fully loaded account, granting you instant access to all brawlers, unlimited gems, and a totally fresh gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.